Okay, today we're going to take a look at our 3-op camera network. Our 3-op camera network consists of 3 intraoral cameras, 3 Dell Optiplex computers, Dental Eye software, and 3 TV monitors. We'll go over each component right quick so that you have a good overview of what you'll be getting. First of all, we have the camera. This is our USB intraoral camera. Quite simple. Gives a good image, as I'll demonstrate in just a minute. And then we have the Dental Eye software. And the Dental Eye software is one of the premier softwares throughout the world. It's the #1 software used in all the universities and hospitals in the U.S. and it's becoming more and more widely used in private dental practice. Then we have the Dell Optiplex 745 computers. These are off-lease computers that were leased by large corporations or institutions, and when the lease expires they return them, and we get them for a really good price. They're top-of-the-line Dell business class computers. That's one reason why we use them. And then there's the 24-inch TV monitor. This works as your computer monitor as well as a television, so you can both do your computer work and entertain the patients when you're not showing them their images. It's a full 1920 by 1080. Okay, so this is basically how the system is going to operate. First of all, you open up Dental Eye by clicking on the icon on the desktop, which I've done earlier, and then in this case we'll add a new patient. To add a new patient, you just click on New Patient down here, and you must put in a patient ID. So we typically use their phone number. I'll just put in 12345 for test results, and then you put the patient's first name. So we'll use my name in this case. Okay, and basically that's all the information you need. Okay, this is saying that we're using a demo license, which that won't appear once you put in a valid license number. Okay, so here we are in Dental Eye, and we're pretty much ready to take images. Now you have the choice of just taking images in no template, or you can choose from any one of these templates, or you can custom make your own template to your liking. In this case we'll just use a 3-shot PA. Okay, or I take that back, that's a 5-shot PA. Okay, to take an image you simply click on the camera icon, and that activates the camera. We're ready to take pictures. There's a little button on the camera right here. Is all you have to do is focus the camera and press the button. Now when you click it the first time, it freezes the image on the screen so you can see what you're going to capture. You click it again, and then it appears over here in the capture window, which means you have captured that image. Then you can proceed to the next image. Okay, so we have 4 images captured there. Whenever we're finished, you just X out of that capture screen, and it places the images in the template. From there, you can perform all kinds of image enhancement options. You can save the image, you can print the image. Actually, it automatically saves it into the patient's file. But you know, that's basically how the camera works. You can view this from any of the workstations. It's shared across the network, and once you double click on the image and it blows it up large, then you can change the contrast and the brightness. There's all sorts of tools that you can use with it. If you don't like what you did, you can just hit the undo button and it'll go back to where it was before. But we can get into the training of the software a little bit later on. Okay, then when you're finished taking the images and showing the patient, maybe the patient might want to watch a little TV. So you just select the TV input, and here
he thinks that if anyone finds him, he will be sent away.
Turn that volume down a little bit. This is actually just an antenna, and we're watching PBS here. Okay, here's a documentary on the Dust Bowl. But basically, you can let the patient watch any type of entertainment that you can get into the TV. It can be a DVR, a DVD player, cable TV, whatever you choose. And basically, that's the system. Mute that. That's the system, and I think it represents one of the best values in the dental profession as far as dental imaging is concerned. We are about to launch a lease program, which we'll have more details about, where you can actually lease it or rent it and return it if you're not happy. So basically, this is it. And Dr. Burr, this one is just for you. So if it's a little bit rough, we haven't gone through editing with it yet, but I hope this answers your questions, and please feel free to call me anytime or email me, whatever is more convenient for you, and I'll be glad to answer any questions. But I think this would fit your practice perfectly. I think this is what you're looking for. If not, we can change it to be whatever you want it to be. But I hope this helps, and I'll talk to you soon.